This is a do-it-yourself RA motor drive for the EQ1 tripod. The EQ1 tripod is equatorial, about the cheapest equatorial tripod you can buy for a telescope. And I was using a different motor drive, a Celestron 9-volt drive, and it did not work well. So I wanted to try to make my own that would be more accurate, more robust, and one that you could actually work on if you needed to. So it's pretty simple. This is a JGY 370 geared motor. It's a 0.6 RPM, 12 volt, and I'm using a pulley system. On some tripods, EQ2 and EQ3, you could actually mount the motor, the shaft, directly on the RA adjuster here, but on this particular shaft, because it has a smaller number of teeth, it's a 101 ratio. You have to use gear. So I got a 48 teeth pulley there, 16 teeth here, so it's a 3-to-1 ratio. And so it drives the shaft slower. And at a duty cycle of about 42%, which from 12 volts gets it down to 4 or 5 volts, somewhere in there. And for the mount, I'm using the mount that actually came with the Celestron 9-volt motor, and I had to drill one other hole, and it works perfectly. It's a perfect fit. And then I put a pretty strong spring in here to give some tension to the belt. So if you rotate this forward, you can actually loosen the belt. And let's see, for the motor, for the spring, I drilled a hole in the RA pointer for the top, and then for the bottom, I drilled another hole, a couple of holes, in here in the motor mount. And the motor mount is held on by one bolt through the shaft of the equatorial mount. And let's see, I'm using about 1 meter of wire to go to the control box. And the control box is this Timex box that I put a ZKMG PWM motor governor, which is a motor controller, speed controller, inside, and then inside the box is a 12-volt lipo 3S battery, 1500 milliamps. You probably need at least 1500 milliamps because the draw of this motor won't work with anything less than that. Maybe 1300 milliamp might work. And then the on and off switch is basically just the power cable plugged into the battery cable, which is these two cables here. This motor controller has a 0 to 100% duty cycle and 1% steps. It'd be nice if there was a motor controller that had 0.1 steps, but unfortunately it doesn't. You could do it yourself with an Arduino, but I didn't want to get into that. I just wanted kind of a plug and play. You can buy this motor easily off the shelf and the controller and the pulleys, and just plug all this together and don't have to do any programming or any coding. And it works quite well. It works very well for uh, visual use of the telescope, um, and also for imaging the planets by videotaping them. And I've even been able to take some rudimentary astrophotos um, with this setup, even up to a 30-second exposure. So I think that's just about everything.